Hello, welcome back to my daily upload. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharifah. If it's your first time here seeing this face, please consider subscribing and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell. Yes, so today I'm going to be taking you through one way on how you can have bright, soft baby hands. If you're interested, please let's get into the purpose of this video. Important, before I take you on which kind of natural remedy that we're going to be using, it is very important to always at least exfoliate your hands. Do you know what I mean by exfoliating? Is scrubbing your hands, and there are some natural remedies that you can always use to exfoliate your hands, like sugar, lemon, some oil, olive oil, sesame oil, coconut oil. Yes, I have some video about how you can exfoliate your skin or your face. Those same ingredients can always help you exfoliate your hands. Yes, it is always best at least to exfoliate your hands at least once in a month. And also another thing is always move with a hand cream. Yes, a hand cream helps to hydrate your hands. And also when you're buying hand creams, make sure that you're buying hand creams with SPF. Yes, at least like 6 to 7 to 10. Yes, for hands it's fine, but for skin, for face, you can use starting from 40 to 45 to 50. Yes, it is always good to keep your hands with SPF. And another thing is that the reason why sometimes we tend to have rough hands is because now we are in the pandemic and we wash our hands almost like 15 times in a day, and most of the time is that we don't really apply hand creams on our hands. You're getting it. And different sanitizers that we use, like from this place to another place, they all have different ingredients, and these different ingredients, they are not healthy for our hands for sure. So I'm here to help you if you're facing that kind of problem, you're having rough hands. And hey, one thing I wanted to tell you is, you know, for men it is always okay for them to have rough hands because, you know, they are hardworking. Of course we too are hardworking, but of course I wouldn't love shaking my sister, my fellow sister, with rough hands, of course. But so today, and for women, this is a tip for you. At least this remedy, use it. Of course there are some men who know how to take care of themselves, and I love that for sure. If it's a man who knows how to take care of their skin, take care of the facial, they do facial remedies, they do sun. Okay, I'm just getting excited. As soon as we notice that our hands are darker compared to other parts of our body, we tend to rush so fast to buy other products, forgetting that these products are never safe for your skin, like hydroquinone, something like that. Yes, so don't panic. I'm here to help you solve that kind of issue with this amazing it's not chinjaga, by the way, with this amazing papaya leaf. I don't know if you ever heard about papaya leaves, but papaya leaves are more healthier. They have healthy benefits like 95%, if you didn't know. Today I'm going to be showing you on ways on how, what is this? This is Africa. Guys, I even thought that it was on my screen, but okay, that aside, we are going to be using these leaves and how to use them. Let's do that now. You can get fresh young leaves, and the next thing is you grab them like this. Are you seeing? Yes, then you are going to kukunya, you know, kukunya, you know, kukunya, like this. Like this. You kukunya with your hands plunging, like until you destroy these leaves, like kukunya, like kukunya. Then you rub them on your hair, on your palms, and if you're having dark knuckles, you can also do this. Yes, so these leaves are beneficial They are good at cleansing your skin. Did you know that you can make juice out of these leaves? Did you? If you didn't, now you know. And I think I'll do a video about how to extract juice from these leaves, and I tell you more about its importance. But what you should know, that these leaves are more healthier to consume. And when you make juice out of them, don't add in any other ingredient to sweeten, like honey, sugar. No, not really. I always advise you to take it the way how it is, even if it's not sweet. Yes. And when it comes to skin, you can use these leaves to make soap. You can use these leaves you can dry them and make powder, and then that powder you mix it with honey and lemon juice. You apply onto your skin overnight to help you remove sun damage. Yes, to those people who get affected by sun damage. Yeah, so if you do this like for some 10 good minutes, then the next thing is, of course they are not 10 minutes now, this is just an instruction. Yeah, so you do this for 10. Are you seeing how I've destroyed them? This is how you should do too. So you rub them. Yeah, like you start feeling gummy, eh? Yeah, but it's okay, it is fine, eh? But make sure that you do it at least for 10 minutes. So after destroying all these leaves, the next thing is you leave your hands to for some time, like for 5 minutes. Then you wash your hands with warm water. Then after, you moisturize your hands using a hand cream. Yes, so this will help you really soften your hands and also have bright hands without suntan. If you're having dark knuckles, this is what you're supposed to be doing. Yeah guys, I kind of love my lipstick today. Anyways, back to business. So this will help you have your soft baby hands. So guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, in my next video, please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out tomorrow's video. Yes, you guys, I'm so happy. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much. I really love you. I love you all, from the first person who subscribed to my channel to now, because you guys, you've made me, you're like my second home, you're my second family. Have you ever been there, like you be with people you've never seen them, and there is this kind of connection that, you know, when you don't upload, you feel like your people are missing out. Guys, you forgive me. One thing I know about myself, one of these days, that I'm talkative, and I think it is healthy, right? Yeah. So thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.